In this video, you're getting a full step-by-step guide on how to make your own AI cartoon videos, even if you've never done anything like this before. By the time you're finished, you'll be able to create results just like this. And honestly, it's easier than you'd think. And the reason this matters so much right now is because these videos aren't just fun experiments with AI. They're one of the fastest ways to grow online today. They can rack up thousands, even millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. And that attention can translate directly into real money through monetization, brand deals, and entire businesses you can build on top of your content. So if you've been waiting for a complete tutorial that takes you from zero to a finished AI cartoon video, this is it. This is exactly what I'll be walking you through today. So the way we're going to be creating these AI cartoons is basically in 4 steps. First of all, we're going to create the script. And while we're doing that, I'm also going to teach you exactly how to write a good cartoon script yourself. Plus, I'll give you an AI template that makes the whole process easier. After that, we'll move into the image generation part. That's where we'll actually start turning the script into visuals, using a secret tool that makes the whole process easier. Then once we've got the images, we'll convert them into videos, so you're not just stuck with static pictures, but you actually have a moving cartoon. And finally, the last step is doing the voiceover, which is what really brings everything together and makes it feel like a finished cartoon. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to put everything together into a complete cartoon video that you can post online, pretty much anywhere.